Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are good, fine, fit and working all along. So आज मैं सोच रहा था कि कुछ अलग करते हैं और उससे मुझे लगा कि आज कुछ अजब सा खाते हैं. So I was thinking about eating a सुरमई थाली. So मैं सोच रहा था कि So I have decided to go to मालवण for the सुरमई थाली. चलो एक फ़ोन मारता हूँ, अगर ये बंदे हैं मेरे साथ तो जाएंगे आज. Let's call. Hello my friend Ponky. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Are you interested in Surmai Thali today?
Yes.
So you wanted to come with me for trip to Malvan?
Call.
Okay bro, let's go.
Okay.
Hello Rohan, can you hear me? Can you hear me Rohan?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
So Rohan, I have decided to go to Malvan today. Are you interested?
Let's go.
Okay. So meet me in around half an hour at Sholim.
Okay, near Sholim better, no?
Yes. Let's go.
Okay, I'll be there in 20 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be there in 20 minutes.
Okay. Bye. So let's go guys. So hello guys, we are here today on a trip of Malvan with my friends Ponky and Rohan. So it's like 10 a.m. right now. So 2.5 घंटे का रास्ता है. So let's go. 2.5 घंटे का रास्ता है. सॉरी 2.5 घंटे का रास्ता है अभी फिलहाल तो, और हमको अभी जाना है. So let's go on a road trip to Malvan. Guys, we have now reached to this Maharashtra border. So we have to take compulsory left for right. So
Right from here, man.
this is left. The board is showing left. So right showing left. So guys, we have now reached to the border of Goa and Maharashtra. So this is the border, and we have to go this side. So this. I just came here to show you this amazing view.
Hey, मांगे मरे.
मान गए रे.
अरे ये साइड की एरिया नहीं, ये साइड की.
So my friend wanted to say something. Can you? So we have now entered to the Maharashtra border. So over here, this is a check post. You can see. Show you the check post. We have to cross the check post in order to.
We hope cops won't catch us.
They won't catch us.
So
Because we are the Goan people. My friend, we very into Goa.
Left answer.
Okay.
Shiroda. Yeah.
So I hope this road is good. Let's check it out. I don't think this road is good. It's too much shaking right now. You can see by my camera it's a little bit shaken up.
Just one for our ride.
Yeah, little bit. So my AC got wasted. Oh my god, my AC got wasted.
So guys, now Lexi is coming. So we want to eat something. He didn't have a breakfast today, so he's giving a treat right now. So tell me what you're doing now. Only tea, only tea. So Lexi is giving the treat today now. So Ponky, what are you saying right now?
What to say, man?
So he's giving only tea. No.
So guys, we have now came for tea. We are eating. Oh, this is the famous hotel over here. So
This is misal pav.
okay,
This is what you call misal pav.
okay.
This is the chai. This is the pav, you know. Usually this pav is smaller than a Goan pav. Got it, no?
Okay.
This bread is not a fluffy as Goan bread.
Okay.
So it look like the Goan. I don't know what to say.
Good.
सो गाइस, ये है इधर का फेमस मंदिर। यहाँ पर यहाँ के लोगों का कहना है कि यहाँ पर इसका जब यात्रा होता है ना, तब यहाँ बड़ा सा क्रैब आता है। अब ये बात सच सॉरी रहेगा दादा, इट्स रियल। लोग कहते हैं, इन्फॉर्मेशन निकाली थी मैंने। यू कैन सी ओवर।
गाइस अभी हमने महाराष्ट्र में 2 लोकल ड्रिंक परचेज किया था। तो हमारे लेक्सी को पेप्सी चाहिए था, पेप्सी नहीं मिलता इधर लोकल ड्रिंक मिलता है। ये एक जीरा सोडा है और एक कोला है। कोला बोल रहा था वो लोग।
हाउ मच इट कॉस्ट मैन?
ओनली 10 रुपीज मैन।
वाटर?
या 1 bottle is 10 rupees.
गुड गुड गुड।
So let's try this.
I'll tell you the review of the cola.
Yeah.
Okay? Let's go. झाले हा?
टेस्ट तरी करून दे का?
जिंकले आम्ही, जिंकले. झालं म्हणतो सांग रिव्ह्यू तुझं कोलाचो.
वाव. Jeera is like okay, but there is too much sugar in this.
This is also one of the worst.
Yeah, you can call it a bust. I can give it out of 10 rating. They can give a 3
3.
to this. And
Give at
for
least,
this,
give at least 3.5, no?
no, only 3. For this, half. For
Half?
this, half. No, 1.
Okay, so guys, never buy this kind of thing.
Yeah. Please avoid. Guys.
Avoid this. Straight. No, wait. Take left. Take left.
I'm suggesting you guys.
Take left.
Go for water.
अरे take left रे. I'm gonna tell you.
So guys, we have now lost the road because of my direction guide of Mr. Ponky. He has shown the wrong road.
So guys, we have lost the way. So we have asked this uncle.
So guys, we are now going for food. So this is the famous hotel over here, Hotel Shirgaonkar. So let's check it out. What is there inside? So guys, we have now entered a hotel and we have ordered a surmai thali.
You can see.
Wow, what a great thali! There is a kingfish in it.
And bhaji and chapati.
Wow. Let's check it out. Let's eat.
So food was delicious and quite reasonable price also. So till then, we are closing the vlog. Do like, do subscribe and share. See you next time.